I want to show you how to change oil properly. Okay, this is the oil filter. Right. Open the bag. It's a Honda oil filter. Honda. Right. What's this? See? Do you see the oil sucking down and sinking down? I just fill up the oil and the oil suck it out. You don't see oil. You don't see the oil, right? So what's mean when you start the engine and then no top up the oil in the oil filter and the engine start without the oil, and it took about 20 seconds before the oil build up in the oil filter. Okay, I can tour the oil drain blood, the 25 foot-pound. So if you not tour, you will be overtight. If you overtie, you lose and tight again, the oil drain blood is well stripped. When the oil drain blood is stripped, you have to replace the oil pan. Okay? So I already set a 25 foot-pound. All right. You hear that? Click. After that, I use the white out. All right. Put that. Put the mark right here. That's it. And that way I know I tied the oil drain blood 25 foot-pound. Thank you.